Okay, guys. Here's an Uncle Cow EDC update. First, the new knife. Of course, y'all know about the new Spyderco Resilience. I think it was. Yeah. Uh, I've carried it a couple times. Awesome blade. Highly recommended. And I've always loved Spyderco because it's the one company with, well, not that and Benchmade, uh, but I don't have a Benchmade with the Benchmade hole, so technically I could do that, but you know, that I could open with one hand if I needed to. So, yeah, I love the resilience. I love the tenacious. Uh, great stuff. Okay. Along with that, my wallet system for work has changed. Uh, I like I said, I cashed in some good sun points, or the earliest good sun points. Uh, I I asked mom to get a Vein Quest, um, one of the versions of the skinny wallet. So, and I discovered, I'm not gonna show the other side, obviously. That I couldn't carry everything in here, but I keep my ID, my both my healthcare cards because I need the insurance, both insurances with the disability stuff and everything, and my uh, social security card. But I also have about I have some cash in this pocket, so uh, this goes in the new work system, which I'm about to show you. And here is the wallet. And usually, when I have pockets, it'll go in the ID pocket, meant on the Expedition Titan. I think this is. So that's the card holder, and it has some cash. Okay. Now, the new work system. Okay. My parents got tired of my backpack, and I got tired of them complaining about my backpack. So the backpack I still have for long days. I'm out all day. But when I'm only out for a couple hours, like when I go to the dojang, uh, this is the new system. Now I put this is a VanQuest pocket organizer. Okay. Uh, and I put some Velcro on the back. Well, a lot of you guys are familiar with the dirty room knives. Uh, Spine Cutter. He changed the name of his company that I can't remember right now. Uh, had a Velcro sheath that I had on the side here. Now I don't carry that knife all the time, obviously for legal reasons and safety reasons, and the fact that I don't want to get arrested. So I put the rough side of Velcro on this, and it velcros to my side. I can have uh, everything in hand and not have to carry a backpack. So that's really cool. So this fits in there. Okay, I have the Zombie Fighter Django Paracara um, self-defense tool as the dedicated self-defense tool, and that doesn't go out. Okay. I have the Leatherman Bruiser as a pry tool, and you can do other things with this, obviously. The refillable um, lighter just for a fire source. I don't smoke, but it's nice to have a fire source if, on hand if need be. I put the Leatherman PS4 squirt in here as the multi-tool. That they're excellent tools for the size, and this way I have some type of plier on me without carrying a full-size multi-tool. And also, when she ordered the wallet, I email my to her my Amazon choices when she orders stuff, and I usually give her two choices. Well, she ordered both choices this time, guys. That's how awesome Mama Cow is. So this is the Through Night I have it right here. TI3, small little light. You guys have seen this before, like on Cutlery Lover's channel. But small little light for the package, and it has strobe, medium, high, and all that good stuff. So that's cool. And as a dedicated locking blade, oh, I can't get it up. That's funny. I have the Gerber mini paraframe. Okay, so, and I have to get that unstuck apparently, but I'll work on that. Just as another blade, you know, you gotta have at least two blades on you. So that's the new work system, and I'll probably add some sort of cordage somewhere if I can find some and figure out how to bundle it up without making a total mess. Yeah, but that's the new work system. At least when I'm only there for a couple hours, that's what's with me, and so far it's working well. And the backpack is still available for all day things. If I go to an all day class, or all day instructor class or something like that, that goes with me. That way I can have my iPad, lunch, water, whatever, and it makes more sense that way. But that's the new work system, and along with that, yeah, that's the new wallet system, and I carry that along with the coin pouch from Dino, and the other knives you guys have seen, and I rotate the big knives and the big Tornox blades. So that's that. Oh, there's a huge front pouch on these things, guys. So far I'm impressed with VanQuest. They're as good as Maxpedition, I'd say. So, Uncle Cow approved gear, if anyone's interested. Okay, that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I know some of you really like my EDC updates, so there you go. As far as content, guys, I don't know. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll do my best for you. Like I said, I've got a lot going on, so I don't know how much I can get done in the next week, but they will be done eventually. So keep them coming. Thanks for watching. Uh, Comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and if you want to help me out, you know how to do that. Thank you all, and don't do anything I wouldn't do.